It's a rainy day today, so I'm gonna make this a chore day to prep for my adventure I'm going to have tomorrow. Gotta do 3 things. Number 1, I need to get some groceries. Luckily, I parked at the Walmart last night, so that makes it super easy. After that, I'm gonna go hit the gym, and then I'm gonna go take care of laundry because my laundry basket, as you can see back here, is overflowing. Finally, need to find a camp spot for tonight that's close to where I'm gonna have the adventure tomorrow. Let's get the day started. Oh yeah, I've still got this one with me. She's been doing perfect. I did put in a camera up here so I can watch her whenever I'm not in the van. Oh, in case you're new here, last year in 2024, I sold everything I own and I moved into the back of the Sprinter van, and I've been living in it and traveling full time ever since. Good morning, Miss Ari. I have to go in the store and get groceries. Are you gonna be a good girl in here? Hello, Miss Ari. Were you so good? All right, just got to put up these groceries now. All right, about to hit the road to go to the gym. You ready to go bye-bye? All right, let's get in your car seat. Good girl. Looks like Planet Fitness is about a 7-minute drive from here. Let's roll. I have to say, this Walmart is very RV friendly. There was a ton of RVs here camping last night and a huge school bus. You never know, some Walmarts are pretty good. And when I went in and asked, they were like, oh yeah, no problem at all, just park in the back. So, easy enough. There you go. Good girl. Whoops. I drove over here with her food bowl and water bowl just sitting right there. I have been just putting it in my sink while I'm driving, but I completely forgot. Still adjusting to life with a dog in the van. She loves her bones, don't you, Ari? I actually hit the gym yesterday and took a shower. I think it's bad now because when I used to live in a house, I used to shower every day. Now if I shower 2 days in a row, I feel like I don't need to shower today after the gym, but I will shower. Time to get the gym bag ready. Add more clothes to the laundry bag that's already overflowing. And really, I just put on this morning, so it's clean. I just need a new undershirt. Oh yeah, forgot about this shirt. But I got this at the Appalachian Trail Days last year in Damascus, Virginia. And that is a really cool event. Matter of fact, I'm going to go again this year. Last year I went tent camping out in the woods, and they just have all these vendors set up. A lot of people that are through hiking the trail, they come through Damascus around that time. It's a pretty neat event. All right, there we go. Hello, Miss Ari. Are you so good? Oh, get your bone. Whenever she gets excited, the bone is what she goes for. Yeah, I see you. I'm not leaving anymore for a long time today. I can't tell you how many times I've done laundry and left dirty clothes in my gym bag. Not today. Don't judge, but my laundry bag is completely full, so I'm about to go do laundry anyway. All right, decided to call an audible. It's about to rain soon. I'm gonna try to get to a park so I can take Aria for a walk because she hasn't really gotten out much today and it's supposed to be raining for the rest of the day. You ready to go for a ride? Uh-oh, it's already sprinkling. All right, this time I'm gonna remember to put this up. Let's go for a ride, Ari. Gypsy Hill Park. Oh, this looks like a nice little park to hang out in for a while. What do you think, Ari? You excited? Looks like this parking spot would do. Ari, you wanna go for a walk? Oh, I know, you're so excited now. All right, I'm gonna get her ready and then we're gonna take a little walk with her before the rain really starts. All right, come on, let's go. Good girl. All right, let's go. Oh, I got a nice little pond here. It's really pretty. Really neat little park. I like it. Whew, she is not good on a leash at all. And there's a lot of dogs around here. She's very reactive. But we're back at the van now. I'm just gonna relax for a little bit before I go to the laundromat. All right, Ari, let's go for a drive. There you go. It's about an 11-minute drive. Instead of taking you on a drive, we'll just get you there real fast. All right, we're here. All right, Ari, you be good. I'm gonna go do the laundry. I'll be right back. Stay.
They did that.
Groceries, check. Gym, check. Laundry, check. I am good for chores today. It's time to go find a camping spot. Looks like we're gonna stop at a Love's tonight to sleep because there is nothing else in the vicinity. Love's it is. Oh yeah, we gotta get you, Ari, huh? You wanna get up in your car seat? Man, I sure will be glad when this rain ends. There's potential of rain tomorrow, which may delay our adventure because that entails a hike. Coming up on the Loves now. Here's home for the night. That spot will do right there. There we go. There you go. Good girl. All right, so I gotta go take her out, and then I'm gonna make some dinner, which is gonna be the burgers I got from Walmart this morning. Come on. This way. Come on. Just gonna do a quick and easy meal tonight, which is gonna be those hamburgers. Do just a little bit of oil. Turn on the fan so I don't get a smoke alarm. And since it's raining and I want to run my fan, I'm just going to manually open it a little bit just to give some ventilation, because if any rain gets in the sensor, it automatically closes. So last night I stopped filming pretty abruptly just because I got a little frustrated because number one, the fire alarm went off again at this very busy pilot travel station. So that was super loud, which I've cooked burgers in here before and I've never had that issue. It is what it is. Another thing that I was a little bummed out about is when I was looking at the forecast for today, it was forecasting like another 70% chance of rain. Van life in the rain is not a lot of fun. But luckily, the forecast has changed, and now it's only a 20% chance. The adventure we're planning on going on today is over to the Natural Bridge State Park here in Virginia. There's a cool arch there, and I think there's some waterfalls, so we're gonna go over there today, see how she does on some hikes. But honestly, I got a really good night's sleep. Went to bed super early. I think we were like in bed asleep by 9 o'clock. Yeah, feeling pretty good today. Cheers. So this one here doesn't like going outside in the rain. That's been kind of a challenge because it's been raining a lot. But I'm gonna finish my coffee here. Gonna head over to the Natural Bridge State Park. All right, you ready to go for a drive? All right, let's go. Off we go. We're here, Ari. What do you think? Yeah. Let me get my shoes on and we will go check it out, okay? All right, here we go. All right, leaving the bridge and gonna go see what else we can explore. This place is really cool. The arch was actually bought by Thomas Jefferson, and he bought it for $200. Crazy. So this is estimated to weigh 36,000 tons, taller than the Statue of Liberty and Niagara Falls. Now we're gonna go check out a cave. You wanna be a cave dog, Ari? Gonna go further in? Let's see what's down here. Okay, what do you think of this cave? This is a lost river, which means a river that flows where we cannot see. It says men have risked their lives trying to locate this stream. Hold on, let me zoom in on this. This is just a beautiful walk through the state park here. I think I see the falls up there. So these falls mark the end of Thomas Jefferson's property. So that waterfall is known as Lace Falls, and it falls about 50 feet. Pretty neat. There's all just beautiful country through here. Definitely worth a visit. Made it back. So we're just hanging out, letting her relax after that hike. Kind of wore her out, I think. But right outside the van is that beautiful cherry blossom tree. I think we're gonna go back into a national forest. I can get a little bit off-road there, and it's free camping. We'll go explore, see if we can find a spot. Now we're ready to go. Looks like it's about 30 minutes from here, so we're just gonna cruise on over and see if we can find a spot. Off we go. Got about 4 miles before we find the spot. Definitely very washboardy in spots and some pretty big potholes. Are we having fun yet? Yes, we are. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but this road is very steep. Oh. All right, this looks like the spot. Ari, you want to get out and explore? Let's go explore. Let's see what it looks like. Got a little fire pit over there. Not much to it, but quiet. And over the past couple of nights, staying at a Walmart and then a travel stop is as much needed. Beautiful. This'll do. We're gonna do a redo on the burgers from last night because I have some left over and now I can actually cook outside. Beautiful. This is much better. Yeah, this day, it was supposed to be overcast all day today. It turned out to be beautiful. Blue skies, I mean a little bit of cloud cover, but honestly, it's perfect. I know I've been doing a lot of videos in the Washington and Jefferson National Forest, but on the East Coast, there's not a lot of dispersed camping unless you're going to National Forest. So I think you'll probably see me out here quite often just because I love it. Just the solitude and just how quiet it is. You can't hear a car, nothing. Just beautiful. Oh, this tree is completely hollow, like all the way through. And it's still growing leaves. All right, got me some ketchup and mustard on the buns. Cheers. Much better outcome than yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my burger and I'm gonna close out this video. If you got this far, and if you wouldn't mind giving it a like, maybe subscribing for more content like this, I'm gonna sign out for now. I will see you guys next week. See ya.